Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to find the odd and even values when the numbers are given. Here we can see that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 16. So I have find the odd value. So here I have write a formula like equal and write odd bracket and select this cell, the number so which is 0. Select this cell and break close and enter. So by applying this formula to all cell, so we can double click here. So here we can see that they are applied. For even number we can write equal and then write even and then bracket and select the odd value, the first one which is 1, and then bracket close and then enter, and then we can select this cell and double click here. So here we can see that even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 up to 18, and the odd value is 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 17. So we can find in the odd and even values by using this formula. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.